about, and that's why I love them, and that's why I love the people, and that's why I'm here tonight.
Those people who are Kitten Rescue volunteers, could you just stand up so we can all acknowledge you? The rest of you are getting your first kittens in your gift bags. First Volunteer of the Year Award, Laura Honkle.
I would like to present Sue with the Lifetime Lifesaver Achievement Award.
Hundreds of people have worked together for the sole purpose of making a difference.
Most perfect night, go home, close all the doors, hang out with our cats.
Recipient of this year's Angel Award for her humanitarian work for the benefit of animals, Dr. Linda Iver.
We're all in this because of the special magic of cats and what they bring to our lives. I really have to give the credit to my staff, and without them I couldn't even begin to do what I do.
This is Caesar, and this is Cal.
This is Rory Friedman. She wrote a book called Skinny Bitch. This is Daniela Fee from the L Word.
Become a rescuer tonight by giving what you can, because I believe when a rescuer reaches the end of their journey and they look back and see a world filled with just a bit more compassion, a little more hope, and a lot more respect for all living things, they can say to themselves,